Second attempt at the Sprite challenge. Let's get it! Oh!
Dude,
What are
get
you
it on
doing?
How are you gonna face it on the floor?
Woo!
I don't feel nothing, guys. I feel normal.
Yeah, you feel normal because you only took one
Hey, she
answer.
burped. She freaking
She burped?
I did it.
I heard that. You just.
You did burp. I smell chili in here.
She just burped. It was a tiny
That
one.
wasn't a burp. That was something else.
What was it? Explain.
I'm gonna throw up.
My heart burns. Dang.
I'm almost done, but my stomach is about to explode.
I'm almost done, guys.
Bro, do you seriously drink 2 sips?